So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the indicator light brightness on your Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of the screen and then find this button right here. Click on it and now you can change the indicator light brightness to high. The indicator lights are, one of them is here, of course. Then there's no more on the action pod, but you have two more on the camera itself, right here and right here. When you change the brightness, you can set it to medium, low, or off. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.